We're going to continue talking about measurement in math. We've already talked about length and height, and we've talked about how you can measure length and height with inches using rulers. We've also talked about capacity, which is how much something holds, and we talked about cups as being a standard form of measurement for capacity. And we've talked about weight and things that weigh pounds or things that weigh ounces. Today we're going to talk about temperature, and we're going to discuss some of the different ways that we measure temperature. And one of the most common things that you will see to measure temperature is a thermometer. Now, a lot of times we have digital thermometers and they just tell you exactly what degree it is. However, you can also have a thermometer which has mercury or a liquid in the center of it, which will also go up or down depending on the temperature. So hopefully you had a chance to watch the video, the fun little math cartoon. And today we're going to go ahead and compare, or rather not compare, but explore temperature. So temperature is a type of measurement that tells us how hot or how cold something is. So get out your math page. We're working on lesson 1310, and it is pages 347 and 348. Go ahead and grab a pencil and let's start. So this is a very easy exercise to do, okay? It says circle the item that is hot and draw a line under the item that is cold. So for number 1, we have a plate of eggs and bacon and toast, and we have a bowl of cereal. So I have to circle the hot item. Well, obviously the eggs and bacon are my hot item, and my cereal is the cold item. For number 2, the hot dog, as its name implies, is the hot item, and the apple is the cold item. Down here I have a sandwich and a bowl of soup. Soup is hot typically, and a sandwich is more often cold. Number 4, pizza would be hot, and ice cream would be the cold thing. Here we have a cup of tea or coffee and some lemonade. The mug is my hot item, and the lemonade is the cool item. Here I have spaghetti and a popsicle. Spaghetti will be much hotter than a popsicle. All right, so easy peasy. Most of you know without any help what items are hot and which items are cold. Okay, so flip your page over and let's work on the back together, okay? This picture is of a thermometer, and it says color the thermometer to show the temperature, and then draw an activity you would do outdoors at that temperature. Well, we know that when the temperature goes up, it gets warmer, and when the temperature goes down, it is colder. So on our little thermometer, I'm going to change my color here, so this will be easier for me. I have 70 degrees, so I need to find 70 on the thermometer. The 70 is right there. I'm going to draw a line across the top, and then I need to fill in the thermometer, okay, to show that it is 70 degrees, all right? Oh, look at that. Isn't that great coloring? Aren't you impressed with Mrs. Palman's coloring? All right, in this one, it's 30 degrees. So I'm going to draw that line across 30. There's the 30. I'm going to start there, and then I'm going to color in everything underneath 30. Color, fill it in. So my thermometer represents 30 degrees. Now, the last thing I need to do is I need to draw a picture to show something I could do on both of these days. Well, if the temperature is 70, I can look over here at these pictures and I know it's a warm day. So something I might do when it's 70 degrees is play outside. Okay, so I'm going to be outside and I'm going to be playing soccer. Here's my soccer ball. And here's my hair just hanging out, looking great. And I'm having the time of my life because it's 70 degrees and the sun is shining and it is perfect. And because I'm playing and running, I might want to wear shorts when it's 70 degrees out. I think I'd be plenty warm in a pair of shorts and a nice t-shirt, right? So draw a picture of something you would do when it's 70 degrees outside. The next thermometer tells me that this day is only 30 degrees. 30 degrees is a cold day. So on this day, I'm going to be building a snowman. There's lots of snow, and I'm building a snowman with a giant head that's probably going to tip him right over. I probably should have made my snowman have a smaller head, but just not that fancy. It's snowing, so I'm drawing some snowflakes. Okay, playing outside, building a snowman. All right. Finish up your math page, and when you're all done, give yourself a sticker. Good work.